this video, we are going to show you how to view your current Zendesk plan or subscription. Now, if you want to check the statistics or the information for your specific Zendesk plan or subscription, it's quite easy. Of course, you need to sign in to your account. And once you are here on your dashboard, you want to look to the upper left corner of your screen. It's going to say support by default, and there's going to be a drop down or down arrow icon like so. So click on this. This slide down will appear, this pop up, and you want to click on Admin Center on the very bottom. Now, when you click on this, it's going to open a new tab for your Admin Center for your account, right? So once this loads up, you want to click on, again, look towards your left-hand side. There's going to be icons for your main menu here. You want to hover your mouse on account and click on it. The very first option is going to be your subscription, as you can see here under billing, right? And here you're going to see your subscription. As you can see, we have a free trial, next payment, and then last billed. So all the information here is going to be available for you. And then your Zendesk suite, if you have anything left. So as you can see, we have the free trial. We have 12 days left for this free trial. Or you can actually compare plans if you want, or extend trial if you're trying Zendesk out for free. So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. I'll see you on the next video.